Managing client tasks and assignments in SuiteDash can feel overwhelming at first, but once you know how to navigate the platform, it becomes a powerful tool for staying organized. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most efficient ways to manage your clients' tasks and assignments within SuiteDash so you can get things done faster and smarter. First things first, let's talk about how to create tasks in SuiteDash. To do this, you simply need to go to the Tasks section in the dashboard. From there, you'll see an option to create a new task. You can assign it to a client, set a deadline, and even add specific instructions or attachments. One of the things I love about SuiteDash is the ability to create highly detailed tasks, giving clients everything they need to know up front. This can really cut down on back and forth communication. Next thing, let's dive into assigning tasks to team members. When you create a task, you can choose to assign it to internal team members as well as clients. You can also prioritize tasks based on urgency, ensuring that the most important assignments get done first. SuiteDash also allows you to set reminders, so you and your team never miss a deadline. This is great if you're working with multiple clients and need to stay on top of various tasks at once. The third thing you should know is how to track progress on tasks. SuiteDash gives you a clear overview of all tasks assigned, and you can easily see which ones are in progress, completed, or overdue. The visual dashboard helps you keep track of everything without having to dive deep into individual task details. This makes managing multiple clients a lot easier. You can even filter tasks by client, status, or priority to get a more specific view of what's happening. The fourth thing is how to keep your clients updated on their task statuses. SuiteDash offers a client portal where clients can log in and view their own tasks, track progress, and even leave comments. This allows for seamless communication and reduces the need for frequent check-ins. Clients love having this transparency, and it helps keep your workflow running smoothly. Now, let's talk about one area where SuiteDash could improve. While the platform is feature-rich, it can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming for new users. The learning curve can be steep, and the interface may take some time to get used to. However, with a little patience, SuiteDash's features become more intuitive, and you'll be able to manage client tasks and assignments like a pro. But there's more. If you're looking for something a little more streamlined, with a simpler interface, I've got some great alternatives for you. These options might actually work better for managing client tasks and assignments, especially if you're looking for a smoother experience without the steep learning curve. Plus, through the link in the description, you'll gain access to an exclusive, extended free trial for these platforms, giving you plenty of time to see how they compare. SuiteDash is a solid option, but for some businesses, these alternatives could be a more efficient choice. The free trials offered through our link will ensure you get the best possible deal, so you can start managing your client tasks and assignments with less stress.